Before starting the video, I want to tell one important thing. I have a lot of respect for my teachers. Every teacher, including English teacher. Because of my teachers, today I am here. So, though in this video, I will tell some mistakes my teachers did, but this does not mean that I disrespect them or I don't like them. I have greatest respect for every teacher in my life. Dear friends, what happens is, or what happened with me is, my teacher did not teach me English properly. He did a lot of mistakes while teaching me English. And due to that, I suffered a lot. I paid a huge price. Of course, I did not repeat the same mistakes when I became a trainer. In this video, I will tell you what mistakes my teacher did, how it affected my career, and now which new methods I'm using, and how I overcome those mistakes. Hope you will enjoy this video. Let's start. Dear friends, I am from a Marathi medium school. I am from Sangli. I was in school in the first standard in 1982. During those days, English medium schools were rare. And if they were there, they never used English there. Only Marathi was there. Or Marathi was the language of communication and teaching. I remember my English teacher very vividly. He would teach us English. And he made a lot of mistakes while teaching English. I don't blame him because our teachers are also a product of our education system. They are not doing it purposely, but they don't know any other better method. So my teacher would do a lot of mistakes while teaching us. Some of them I would like to tell you. First mistake was, he would write one sentence on the board. His favorite sentence was, Ram eats mango. He would write that on the board, and now our rest of 45 minutes would be revolving around that sentence. He would tell us Ram is a noun, proper noun, eats is a verb, mango is a common noun, and then he would change the sequence, and then, but everything he would tell in Marathi. He would write everywhere on the board. Whole board was full, only one sentence. And then he would give us complicated grammar rules. I could not comprehend what was going on there. In fact, it created more fear about grammar because we could not understand this. And I realized that English is a very difficult language. So many rules are there, so many regulations, we should not do this, that. This was a mistake he did. Second mistake. He would spank us, he would beat us. If we did any grammatical mistake, that's good. We should not do grammatical mistakes. But the exact opposite effect happened. We were very scared to make mistakes. And due to that, we were very scared to write. Due to the fear of getting spanked. This was the second mistake. Third mistake was, he never spoke in English. He was perfect in grammar, but he never spoke in English. He always would teach English in Marathi. This was another mistake. And last mistake was, he never asked us to speak. He would ask us to write, give all the notes like physics, chemistry, but we never spoke. Now, due to that, the impact was this. First is, due to all those complicated rules, I thought that, or we all thought that, English is something rocket science. This is not our cup of tea. Second mistake was there, and the mistake was, he would beat us for the mistakes. We were very scared because of his beating was very severe. And we realized that making mistake is bad. Don't do it. Instead of that, don't do anything. Sit quiet, but don't try at all. That's a better option. Third effect was there. He taught us English in Marathi. He never spoke. The impact was, we never developed any language. We developed subject, but not a language. And fourth was, he never allowed us to speak. And the impact was, I could not speak properly even during my engineering days. I would get stuck, never participated in GD, elocution competition, never went on the stage in gathering. I remember there was one guy from Kashmir. He would go on the stage and do anchoring during our engineering days. And I was there sitting, staring at him. What is going on? I couldn't figure out what was going on. So these were the impacts. So due to this, I suffered a lot. And now what I do is, I don't do those mistakes. I have a training course called English Communication and Confidence Therapy, a new approach. Exactly opposite I do here. I do not teach grammar, I develop a language through habits. Grammar is important in school, but to communicate, you don't need grammar. So I have developed a unique habit system which develops your language without errors or with less errors. Second, I tell my students, make a lot of mistakes, you are free. Don't worry about that. My students are given the freedom to make mistakes, so they don't worry about any punishment or any humiliation or nothing like this. They speak. Next, I only speak in English with them. Though I can speak in Hindi or any other language, I don't use any other language. I purposely use English. This forces them to speak. And last, I give lot of opportunity for my students to speak. In fact, in my lectures, during my training, I speak 10%. My students speak 90%. Why? Because I'm not like other teacher where teacher has to speak and teach. No. Students come to my institute to develop their communication, to develop their confidence. Then who has to speak? They have to speak. I should only support them, motivate them, and tell them what to do. In fact, when they speak, I do not correct any mistakes. That's wrong. Then they correct their mistakes through habits. If you want to know about all these things, my videos are there. I have given a list in the description. All these videos will explain the process in detail. But before ending, still I have a lot of respect for my teacher and I do not blame him for this. Okay? Because teachers are everything in our life. Teachers and mothers build the nation. With this note, I'd like to request you to write a comment. Tell in the comment that, have you gone through the same problems which I have gone? Was your teacher the same like my teacher? Write in the comment. I would like to know about you and I will reply you, everyone. Thanks for watching the video, but don't forget to subscribe the channel and give a like if you like. I'm there on Instagram, on Facebook. You can come there, meet me. I'm making some short videos for Insta and for Facebook. I hope you will enjoy those videos there. Take care of yourself and see you again with a nice video. Bye-bye.